mornings in the town of Belfast. I spend many happy days. I look at town in all so many ways. For it's there I spend my childhood, and I found for me a wife. I then set out to make for her alive. Oh, but all my young ambitions met with bitterness and hate. I soon found myself outside a prison gate. And you dare to call me a terrorist while you look down your gun. When I think of all the deeds that you have done. Though you have plundered many nations, divided many lands, you have terrorized our people. You rule with an iron hand, and you wrought this reign of terror to my land. Oh, to all my months internment in the Maidstone and the Maze, I thought about my life throughout those days. Why my country was divided, why I was now in jail, in prison without crime or without trial. And oh, I love my country, I am not a bitter man. I've seen through the end injustice at first hand. So on that fateful morning, I shook both freedom's hand. For right or wrong, I tried to free my land. And you dare to call me a terrorist while you look down your gun. When I think of all the deeds that you have done. You have plundered many nations, divided many lands. You have terrorized our people. You rule with an iron hand, and you wrought this reign of terror to my land. So one cold October morning, wrapped in a lion's den, I found myself in prison once again. I was committed to the H blocks for 14 years or more. Under blanket of conditions, they were poor. And a hunger strike we did commence for the dignity of man. But it seems to me that no one gave a damn. Oh, but now I am a saddened man. I watch my comrades die. If only people cared or wondered why. And you dare to call me a terrorist while you look down your gun. When I think of all the deeds that you have done. Oh, you have plundered many nations, you've divided have terrorized our people. You will whip an iron hand, and you wrought this reign of terror to my land. Holy God, shine on you, Bobby Sand, for the courage you have shown. May your glory and your fame be widely known. And to Francis Hughes and Ray McCreesh, who died unselfishly, and the Patsy O'Hara, and the next in line is me. And all who lie behind me, may your chorus be the same. And I pray to God my life is not in vain. Oh, but sad and bitter was the year in 1981, when everything was lost and nothing won. John, their lovely song called The Ballad of McDonnell.